Did you have a good weekend? In Korea, it was Thanksgiving Day, so I had an extended weekend. On the day before Thanksgiving, my family and relatives gathered together. We enjoyed delicious food and had a great time. One of my nephews learned how to play kostop, which is a traditional Korean card game. The situation was quite amusing because I, the least skilled player, was teaching him so seriously. Whenever I gave him advice like a coach, my family members laughed, as I appeared to be a professional coach. Anyways, it was really fun. I'm the youngest daughter-in-law, so I'm always responsible for doing the dishes. I usually don't enjoy it, but on Thanksgiving Day, I was willing to do it. All the family members stayed overnight at my mother-in-law's house, and the next day we each headed back to our homes. It felt great to be back home, but I also cherished our family get-together.